Hi, Dad.
Hey kiddo, how's it going?
Fine, I guess.
How's your room? Have
Have you
they...
talked to Josie at all? Has she asked about me?
Well, not since you got to the hospital. We're doing the right thing here. This is the first step to getting better for you. Just a few more days and we'll get you out of here, Isaac.
My name is Angel. No one calls me Isaac. You never call me Angel.
Come on, you know I'm trying.
Try harder.
I'll let you go now. Your mother says hi.
So basically, the sun is getting so powerful that all the white people on Earth are going to melt. Black people, Middle Eastern, Hispanic, and Indigenous people are all exempt from it. People mistake the phenomenon for climate change, but it's really a precursor to the rapture.
What about Asian people?
I'm not sure. I need to do more research when I get out of here.
Hi, Celeste.
Hi, Angel.
I think it's time I get out of here.
I thought you'd never ask. The ward is designed as a panopticon, an 18th century prison designed by philosopher Jeremy Bentham. They used that design to monitor our vitals through the Neuralinks they installed in us. But that's not important right now. There's your chance.
Elijah? Celeste? Why did you do that?
Clumsy me.
It's not a coincidence, you know.
Huh?
The angel number. It appeared to you in a pivotal moment. I sense a lot of turmoil in you, a lot of misunderstanding of your purpose in life. Cute. What are you doing outside the hospital?
How'd you know I came from the hospital?
I think you're underestimating the power of the angel number. You should go back to the hospital. Your time hasn't come yet. Don't compromise your mission.